Number 1. 1998 Chevrolet 3500, price $4,000, powered by the dependable 5.7L 350 engine and paired with an automatic transmission. With 196,000 miles on the odometer, it has proven to be a reliable vehicle that has required little to no major attention throughout its life. Finished in black with a tan interior, it presents well overall for its age. The truck does show some cosmetic wear, including clear coat fading on the hood and roof, along with a few dents on the body, but it remains very clean considering the miles. The doors shut tightly with no sag, and the rockers show only minimal rust, which is uncommon for trucks of this era. Inside, the tan cabin is in good condition and has held up well over the years. The tires are strong at roughly 80% tread life remaining. Number 2. 1992 Toyota pickup, price $8,000. It has accumulated 306,000 miles, yet it still runs and drives remarkably well for its age. Equipped with a manual transmission and powered by gasoline, it comes in a classic red exterior paired with a clean gray interior. The truck is a 2WD model, and while the body shows some normal wear expected from a vehicle of this vintage, it remains in solid shape overall. Recent work includes a driver's side back panel replacement, further adding to its reliability. Known for their legendary durability, these Toyota pickups are becoming increasingly hard to find in decent condition. This one comes with a clean title, making it a great opportunity for anyone seeking a dependable classic workhorse. Number 3. 1975 Chevrolet 2500, price $6,900, finished in red with a matching red interior, is powered by a 496 Ci big block Chevy from Blueprint engines paired with a turbo 400 automatic transmission and locker shifter. The engine is still under warranty but has a cracked cylinder head, causing coolant to seep into the number 7 cylinder, an issue that can be repaired under warranty or by the new owner. Upgrades include a Holley Sniper EFI system, and intake, long tube headers with full 2.5-inch exhaust, MSD ignition, a 4-core aluminum radiator, and a fully rebuilt stainless steel brake system. Both the cooling and fuel systems are new, featuring dual 20-gallon tanks. The frame was repainted 3 years ago, and the truck rides on aluminum American racing wheels with LED lighting throughout. Except for the headlights, this Chevy offers a strong foundation with major upgrades already completed, needing only the engine repair to be back at its best. Hit that like button if classic trucks make your heart race. Want to help us keep these legends on the road? Drop a super thanks, every bit counts. And don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell for more badass builds and barn finds. Number 4. 1998 Chevrolet 1500, price $7,985, shows 241,000 miles on the odometer and is powered by the legendary 5.7L V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission. Finished in a gold exterior with a silver interior, it runs on gasoline and remains both clean titled and Carfax verified, giving extra peace of mind to its next owner. The truck is completely rust-free, and despite its age and mileage, it still runs and drives exceptionally well. Equipped with 4x4 capability, it's ready for both daily use and tougher jobs. The classic body style of the late 90s Chevrolet pickups is becoming increasingly sought after, and examples in this kind of condition are getting harder to find. Number 5. 2000 GMC Sierra 1500, price $4,500, shows 222,000 miles and is equipped with an automatic transmission. It comes in a classic blue exterior paired with a gray interior, and runs on gasoline. The title is in hand, making the sale straightforward. Despite the higher mileage, the Sierra still runs strong and drives smoothly, living up to its reputation as a dependable workhorse. The transmission is beginning to show its age, but it continues to function well and handles daily driving without issue. Cosmetically, the truck has a noticeable dent on the passenger side front fender, along with some minimal surface rust on the frame, though nothing that compromises its integrity. An oil change is planned once the weather clears, so regular maintenance is being kept up with. Number 6. 1983 Chevrolet C10, price $9,000, powered by a dependable 400 small block engine. It runs and drives great, delivering the smooth yet powerful performance these classic Chevy pickups are appreciated for. The truck has been kept in nice shape over the years, with tires that remain in good condition and an interior that has held up well. The seats show no rips or damage, adding to its overall clean presentation. Rust is minimal, making it a solid and well-preserved example of the era. Whether you're looking for a reliable classic to drive as is or a strong foundation for future restoration, the C10 is ready to impress both on the road and at a weekend car meet. Number 7. 1998 Chevrolet 2500, price $5,500. It shows 288,000 miles on the odometer and wears a clean white exterior with a gray interior that still presents well for its age. Structurally, the truck is solid, with the only notable rust being on the driver's side cap corner, while the passenger side remains rust-free from what can be seen. In terms of maintenance, it has recently received a complete brake job along with a fresh oil change, ensuring it is ready for the road. The brakes do feel a little spongy, which is likely just a matter of bleeding them again. Practical for work, the truck is already fitted with a gooseneck hitch in the bed, making it ideal for towing or hauling. At the moment, it runs without a muffler, though one is included with the sale for the next owner to install if desired. Number 8. 1992 Ford F-150, price $3,700. It has 159,000 miles on it and comes with an automatic transmission. Finished in a striking red exterior with a gray interior, it runs on gasoline and is powered by the reliable 351 Windsor engine. In the past couple of years, the truck has received important maintenance, including new ball joints and U-joints. More recently, the spark plugs and ignition system were replaced, while the transmission fluid and filter were changed just a few hundred miles ago. It also features brand new headlight assemblies with LED headlights, as well as a brand new battery for dependable starts. While the AC is currently not working, the truck remains solid mechanically and has been well cared for. Please note that the toolbox shown is not included in the sale. Number 9. 1997 Chevrolet 2500, price $3,800. It has 149,000 miles on it and is equipped with the powerful 454 V8 engine, paired to a 5-speed manual NV4500 transmission, offering both control and capability. Running on gasoline, this truck is also equipped with 4x4. The exterior is finished in green, complemented by a gray interior that remains functional for its age. Having spent its life in Minnesota, the truck does show typical rust, but it remains mechanically reliable and starts without hesitation every time. It rides on a set of newer tires with only about 5,000 miles of use, adding confidence to its road performance. Inside, the heater works well and provides comfort in cold weather, while the air conditioning is not currently operational. Number 10. 1978 GMC Sierra 2500, price $3,800, well-kept classic showing 90,000 original miles. Powered by a reliable small-block Chevy 350 paired with a turbo 400 automatic transmission, it runs and drives exceptionally well. The truck wears an off-white exterior with a brown interior and has received extensive recent work. Upgrades include all-new 4-wheel disc brakes with a rear conversion kit, a new brake master, and fresh rubber lines. The cooling system has been refreshed with a new water pump, radiator, heater core, and hoses. It also features a new Edelbrock carburetor and air cleaner, new alternator, new transmission oil cooler with BM adjustable accumulator, and a true dual glass pack exhaust that delivers an aggressive sound. Inside, the cab has a new seat cover and accurate triple gauges, while outside it sports a new grille and new cab bushings.